Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the front bumper from a Hyundai Elantra. First, let's prepare by gathering our tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. A specialized panel clip removal tool is also highly recommended to avoid breaking any plastic fasteners. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in, and consider raising the front of your vehicle for better access to the underside. Now, let's start with the upper and side fasteners. Begin by opening the hood and removing all the plastic push pins or clips located along the top edge of the bumper, near the grille and radiator support. Next, turn your front wheels to gain access to the inner fender liner. You'll find several screws and clips connecting the bumper to the fender liner. Remove these carefully. Be sure to complete these steps on both the driver's and passenger's sides of the vehicle. Moving underneath the vehicle, locate and remove all the push pins or screws along the bottom edge of the bumper cover. There are typically several of these, often around 5 to 7. If your Elantra has fog lights or turn signals integrated into the bumper, you'll need to carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. These usually have a small tab you squeeze to release them. Confirm that all fasteners are removed and no wires remain attached before the final step. For the final release, gently pull the bumper cover away from the vehicle's sides, starting near the wheel wells. It's often held by a series of clips underneath the headlights and along the fender edges. These clips usually release with a firm but steady pull. With the help of an assistant, carefully pull the entire bumper assembly straight forward and away from the car. Once removed, place it on a soft, clean surface to protect it from any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.